Good evening, everyone. I'm honored to be standing in front of you all and a proud social ambassador of IDF. Service for the community. Well, this is something that all of us have been taught as a part of moral values sometime or the other in our schools. But the most important question for students like us is how. How people like us who aren't even accomplished individuals ourselves can actually do something that can help the society. The similar questions dwelt in my mind until 2 years ago, I decided to take up a project in Katputli Nagar slum of Jaipur to teach. Trust me, all my anxieties, my fear were almost vanished when I interacted with that bunch of super zealous kids who have a vigor to do something in life. And of course, after being selected as one of the social ambassadors of IDF, only helped me further to encourage students from my school to participate in IDF's various undertakings and also to raise funds. हमारे समाज में आज भी ऐसी बहुत सी समस्याएं हैं जिसका निवारण करना हम जैसे जागरूक नागरिकों की जिम्मेदारी है। मेरी नज़र में IDF एक ऐसा ही मंच है जो हम जैसे युवाओं को इसके लिए प्रोत्साहित करता है। What I would like to highlight here is the fact that the so-called E-generation of ours is actually willing to take up social initiatives. But the only problem we all face is that sometimes we do not find the path. I personally believe that this is where the schools can actually intervene, encourage and motivate the students to take up to do their own bit or simply be associated with IDF in so many things that they do. This is when we actually realize that it is not something that we do just out of sympathy for people. It's actually the biggest form of self-service. This is when you realize, you discover yourself, you nurture from within, realize the responsibilities. Personally for me, one of the most joyous experiences that I have had is when I visited the slum or the Bal Gurukuls of IDF and those kids would come running and say, Didi, aap kal bhi aoge na, kal jaldi aana. This is when it makes us realize that even small initiatives on our part can actually make a difference in someone else's life. Even Winston Churchill once said, never underestimate those small group of individual and committed citizens who have the power to change the world. In fact, those are the ones who've made the biggest difference. Thank you.